Hey folks, Ryan Gunness here, and this video is going to be an introduction to a pretty cool addition to the MLM Recruit on Demand system. All right, so I'm going to kind of run through, how this works. All right, now you'll get access to this from your MLM Recruit on Demand system in the back office. Okay, and it's designed to give you all the words that you would use in a conversation with somebody on Facebook. Okay, a one-to-one conversation. So I want to stress that. Okay, and even though I showcase this as Facebook, you could really have this same script and use the same script in any communication, whether it's text messaging or other social media platforms, or having a conversation through email or some instant message, Skype, or anything of that nature. All right, so the key is it's one to one, and we're talking to people that are in network marketing. And sometimes it's very, very easy to tell looking at somebody's profile if they are in network marketing or not. All right, so let me jump into this page here so you can see how this works. Okay, so again, the goal of this script is to invite a network marketer to look at your MLM Recruit on Demand system. All right, now the reason why you want to do that is, number one is you're going to make some money if they decide to join MLM Recruit on Demand, and it's if they're actively building a network marketing business. What we have is something that's very attractive to network marketers. All right, so that's number one. Okay, you're going to make some money. Number two is they get exposed to your primary business on the back end, and you have, in my opinion, one of the best opportunities, the way that this is set up, to build a relationship with them, which can lead to positive things, like them joining your business or buying some of your products and becoming a customer, or leading you and giving you referrals and things of that nature. So there's a lot of good things comes out of that when you build relationships. Okay, so if you're familiar with some of my other training, you know that. Okay, so here's the instructions. Very, very simple. Go to Facebook, do some searches for people that are in network marketing, and that's, you could be doing searches for different companies that out there. You could search for different groups. You could just type in the word network marketing and just get familiar with all the different groups that's out there. And you could also look at friends or people that that's in network marketing, and just look and see what kind of friends they have, and you'll be able to look at their friends pages, and you can see, just on based on someone posting something and who's responding to it, who's liking it, who's commenting, you can see very quickly if those people are in network marketing. All right, and here's a little link so you can click on Facebook very easily. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add those people as friends. Okay, so you click on the button to add them as a friend. That's going to generate a request, and once they accept your friend request, you're going to use the script below to engage with them, and then you're going to use the check boxes that we have here to see the possible responses that you want to be able to use to engage with that person. And then you repeat the process as many times as you want with many contacts. All right, and so let's jump into it. I'm going to just kind of give you a real life example. So let's just say Johnny just joined your business, and Johnny is a brand new person. They don't have a lot of contacts, they don't have a lot of experience with network marketing, but they want to build the business. So you introduce them to MLM Recruit on Demand, and you let them know, hey, go use this this little Facebook script that we have back there. So Johnny goes on, he follows this training that you're watching right now. He goes to Facebook, he finds a few people. Let's say he found 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 people in 10, 15 minutes. He added them as friends, and he went about his day. And now he came back home in the evening, and he has 3 people that accepted his friend request. Okay, so if you're familiar with adding friends and getting friend requests, this is probably not new information. Okay, all right, but so Johnny does that, and now he has a friend request. So now what he does is he looks at this page, and it says use this text after a person accepts your friend request. So he just clicks on select, right click, hit copy, or you can do Control C to copy. Or whatever. There's a few different functions, even if you're a Mac user, or maybe even if you're on your mobile phone, you just click on the copy tab to copy that text. Then you paste that into Facebook. So Johnny does that, and it says, hey, thanks for the ad, it's great to connect with new people, what do you do? So the person comes back and he says, hey, I'm with the ABC Juice Company. Oh really? Wow. So now you just click right here because they gave you an answer of something related to MLM, and then here you go, you click the next text. Nice. How long have you been with that company? So again, Johnny just does that, doesn't have to think. Person comes back and says, oh, I've been with the company for 2 years. So you click on that, and now it says, oh wow, you've been with them for a while. Is this your first company or have you done others? Person comes back and says, oh no, I've done a few other companies before. Wow, many companies before. What made you move over to this one? Person comes back and they tell you, oh, I love the juice, I love my team, I'm having a lot of success, or whatever they say. It really doesn't matter. You go to the next one. Cool. Are you working your business full-time or part-time? Person comes back and says, I'm part-time. Cool. Okay, is the business doing good for you? Person comes back and says, yeah, it's doing good. Nice. As they say, you can eat an elephant one bite at a time. I use a pretty cool lead system that helps me find good quality people for my business. It helps me eat my elephant, LOL. And I'm not sure if this would, be a fit for you, but I can send you a link for you to check it out. Do you want me to send you the link? Person comes back and says, sure, send it over to me. Here is the link. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, and it'll give you the link with your ID already pre-filled out in it, so you don't even have to go try to find your affiliate link if you don't know it by heart. Okay, and this conversation can go many different ways based on their response, and it'll have a response that's appropriate even if they said, well, this is my first company. It'll have a response that's appropriate for that. And at the end of it, you click on start over, and then you can go to the next contact and do the process again. Okay, so very, very intuitive. Now, if the conversation was not, let's say, live, meaning it's not an instant chat going on, and you send them a post, and a few hours later they send you a post, and and you're just jumping in. At any time, you can come into this page, and you pretty much have all the quick responses of where you would be at, so you can still jump into the middle of a conversation and kind of pick up very quickly from there. And that's pretty much it. So now it's very easy for someone to to take a few minutes a day, add some friends, get some friend requests, and know exactly how to have an intelligent conversation. All right, and that's it. And we'll also have a little click here to give us some feedback. So if you're running into some responses that you don't know how to answer or something out of the ordinary, this is where you would let us know about that, so we can keep tweaking this as we roll this out further. All right, so that's my quick intro to this page. Go ahead and test it out. Go ahead and go into Facebook and do some of the steps that I mentioned here, and and much success to you. All right, so Ryan Gunner signing out, and I will catch you